calm inside that rises with the morning light. It's just the kind of power that keeps my spirit bright. Every step I take is guided by this peaceful mind. A quiet kind of magic that'll always be mine. No need to face the patterns written in the lines. My compass is my heartbeat. It's just fine. So I choose myself every time. Trust the line I carry and the rhythm in my mind. This life is mine to shape. My hills, my mountains to climb. And I rise with my own footsteps, step in my own shine. Yeah, I choose myself every time. So the beat that comes from standing where my soul feels home. I know that I'm home, that a place to belong. Every flow, every shadow is a part of my design. A constellation for meaning, the base is undefined. And I choose myself every time. My roots, my wings, my reasons, the universal line. And I choose myself every time. My roots, my wings, my reasons, the universal line. And I choose myself